I'm Yura. I'm going to share how to make a kimchi today. Have you heard that about kimchi? Sometimes it can be main dish, or sometimes it can be like a side dish, and then we eat a lot. It's like similar to sauerkraut in Germany. Some taste is a little bit similar because sauerkraut is making from the cabbage, and then also it's like kimchi. We put the chili, but also it's from the Korean cabbage. First, if you are in Europe, you can buy same ingredient as Korea. Similar vegetables for kimchi around Germany. And then also you can buy the Korean sauce for kimchi in Korean supermarkets. I don't know much about the other cities, but maybe Düsseldorf and then also Frankfurt. Near Frankfurt has a lot of Korean supermarkets. So I'm going to buy Korean sauce for kimchi around Frankfurt, and then also I will buy some vegetables near my town. So let's go! We came to Rewe, one of the most popular supermarkets in Germany. Let's buy the ingredients. We need radish first. Originally, Korean radish is harder to get overseas. So we will buy Kohlrabi. That taste is similar to Korean radish. And let's buy green onion. Now we should buy Baechu. It's Korean cabbage. The most important thing, right? Korean cabbage is also big and suitable to make a kimchi. But if you are in outside of Korea, you have to use Chinese cabbage. Price is not that expensive. We are going to buy 3 pieces. And garlic. In addition, let's buy honey and ginger. Now, shall we go to Korean supermarket? This is Y-Mart located in West Frankfurt on Main. It's very modern, right? When you come here, you can get delicious kimchi very easily. But we are going to make it ourselves, right? Let's wake up and go find the ingredients. What do you think of when you eat Korean food? Firstly, it's spicy. Red pepper powder is so much important to taste of kimchi. It's better to use Korean chili powder at Korean supermarket. It's really hard to get it than try hot chili powder in regular supermarkets. The next is glutinous rice flour for fermentation, coarse salt for pickling cabbage, shrimp salted fish that help fermentation. Finally, a fried sesame is optional. Now we have all the ingredients. Let's pickle the baechu. The process of pickling the baechu with salt is very important. Cut the tip of baechu like this. After we make a cut score, then split it by hand. Because we will cut another half later, so we make a cut score one more. 2 cups of salt is dissolved in water. We will put in the other cup in the baechu. Soak the baechu in water evenly so that the water can be filled. Then add salt to the baechu evenly. It's good to pickle 5 to 6 hours and turn it over in the middle. The pickling process can be not easy, but please bear with it for beautiful tasty. When it's pickled, wash it off and drain the water. And should we prepare the ingredients and sauce while pickling? Firstly, prepare the vegetables. Peel kohlrabi. If you are not used to handling knife, be careful. If you are not good, please use a peeling knife. If you have a very used to knife like me, just kohlrabi, it's easy. Oops, where are you going? Cut the kohlrabi in a straight line like this and slice it thinly again like boiled noodles. Cut another one into square like this. The reason is for a variety of texture. It's better to prepare the kohlrabi pickled like baechu. Next is green onion. Wash it well and cut it lightly. And then it's ginger. I will peel it and chop it about 2 large spoons. Two spoons of ginger, 4 handfuls of garlic, apple will all be used as a sauce. So it's easy if you just peel these and use the blender. Or you can chop these. I put more enough ingredients to make the sauce. We are going to put the shrimp salted that we bought earlier and add 100 grams of honey. Let's add a little water and blend it. Becomes a delicious sauce. And the anchovy sauce can be replaced with a fish sauce. And put 300 grams red pepper powder. Let's see if the color came out. I'm going to add more because it's a little lighter. The color is getting darker. And this is glutinous rice paste. It can be possible with a wheat flour. Did you make it well? Now, let's mix all the ingredients. Green onion, kohlrabi, and sauce. I added some more red pepper powder because I think there's a less. Shake it, shake it. If it seems to be done, try it. Are you spicy and salty? Then you have succeeded. Wash the pickled baechu in the water. Then squeeze out the water. Put the sauce and vegetables in each leaf carefully. First of all, the inner tip of the cabbage is thick, so fill it with enough sauce. Then, when the kimchi is mature later, the seasoning strip into the kimchi. Especially fill vegetables inside well. We are making 3 pieces of kimchi. After pickling kimchi, the volume is less than you think. If you prepare 6 or 7 dishes case, it's enough to contain it. When you put it in the case, wrap it in the outer part and put it in. Now it's done. It looks appetizing, right? It's a bit salty at first. If you ferment it outside for 1 or 2 days, water came out. Then the flavors will change it richly. Please keep it in the refrigerator from this time. We made the suyuk today, celebrating making kimchi. Rice, samgyeopsal, and kimchi is the one of the most delicious combination in the world. If you make kimchi in Korea, you would have eaten raw oyster, suyuk, and ssam. I was sorry about the part. Please feel free to leave comments if you have any question about the ingredients when making kimchi in Germany or other countries. I enjoyed making the kimchi and ate it so delicious. Thank you for watching. Tschüss!